Hi, I'm Betsy Sarcone with Keller Williams Greater Des Moines. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 upgrades that will increase your home's value. When preparing your home for sale, you might be led to believe that the more updates you do, the higher price you'll get. However, that's not exactly correct. Not all updates are created equal. To answer the question of what updates will increase your home's value, we have to look over the past few years. There have definitely been some changes in what buyers are looking for and what will increase the value of your home. In response to the pandemic, buyers are looking for a few different things, and there are certain updates that will get you more money out of your house. Let's look at these 3 different things. Number 1, add more usable square footage or even bedrooms. Now, when we do figure out the value of a home, we specifically look at these things. So definitely, you are going to get the bang for your buck if you're able to add usable square footage, or if you have, say, a room that you can make into a technical bedroom by adding a closet or a window. By increasing the square footage and bedroom numbers, you're going to get your money out of that. My second point is to increase your home's curb appeal. This doesn't have to be a big expense. By adding different pots and flowers and seasonal decor, or even painting your front door, can make a big difference in attracting buyers. Not all these updates have to be big and grand. Again, sometimes the small updates, like changing your mailbox or adding different house numbers, can catch the attention of the buyers and set you apart. My point number 3 is to upgrade your outdoor space. Now, after the pandemic, people love more than ever an awesome outdoor space to hang out in. So outdoor kitchens, fireplaces, sometimes even pools. We do live in Iowa, but the outdoor spaces are more important than ever. If you already have a great outdoor oasis, do the necessary repairs or power washing, things like that, to make it attractive to all the buyers. Thanks so much for watching today. These are some general ideas for you to upgrade your home. If you have specific questions, as always, please reach out to me and let me know how I can help.